To install the Pro Armor wheels on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, and ensure the parking brake is set. Next, remove the wheels from the vehicle. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheels and set aside. Before continuing, remove the rubber hubcaps. Then, identify the front and rear mounting hubs on the wheels. Next, begin installing the wheels. Ensure the valve stem is facing toward the outside, and the rotation arrows on the tire point towards the front of the vehicle. Continue by installing the wheels on the vehicle and tightening the lug nuts until fully seated. Then, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheels in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.